Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square, manage sales and transactions step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or tap the Square app on your phone. In the address bar, type squareup.com and press enter if you are using a browser. On the top right of the website, click Sign In. If you are on mobile, tap the Sign In button in the menu. Enter the email address connected to your Square account. Type your password carefully and check for uppercase and lowercase letters. Click Sign In to access your Square dashboard. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. If you use two-step verification, enter the code sent to your phone or authentication app. Wait for the Square dashboard to load completely. On the left menu, click Sales to view your sales activity. Select Transactions to see a detailed list of payments. Use the date filter at the top to choose today, this week, or a custom range. Click Any Transaction to open the receipt details. Review payment status, payment method, and the amount charged. Scroll to see fees, net total, and deposit information for that transaction. If you need to issue a refund, click Refund and choose Full or Partial Refund. Confirm the refund amount and follow the prompts to complete it. To track items sold, go to Items in the left menu and review your catalog. To manage customers linked to transactions, open Customers and search by name or email. To export transaction data, look for the Export or Download option in the Transactions view. Choose the file format, such as CSV, and download it to your device. To check payouts, click Balance and then view transfers or deposits. Match each deposit to your bank statement using deposit dates and amounts. For in-person sales, open the Square Point of Sale app and sign in with the same account. Tap Checkout in the POS app to process a test sale if you are setting up for the first time. Always log out on shared devices by clicking your profile and selecting Sign Out. Enable security settings like passcodes or device locks to protect your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.